Okay, some of you had troubles making this handle. Alright. Ah, this handle. Alright. I, I I would think everybody can make this. Alright. But then this can be challenging and you might wonder where you get this one. So you go to the same place in your city where you would sell copper if you have copper wire. Metal recycling center or scrap yard, like usually is the same place, alright? They sell like also metal things, and this is just a section of a pipe which has 60 millimeter this, and this will cost probably $3, right? They will cut it for you from the pipe. So that's where you get this metal pipe piece. But then this, like now in this video I will try another method of making this than the thing I showed previously, which is that I will just use paper. You just start putting paper on top of this bulb, and when it's thick enough that this goes to it, you have this. And obviously you cannot use glue here too if you want to put the papers together tighter. So let's see how this goes. There. Like obviously then you got these off, but then you have this. And obviously you try to make this straight so that it wouldn't come out like this. But I think you can still get the bolt out. And obviously you would have been like applying this glue all the time. And you would have then when the bolt is there, you would have just let it harden this harden. And then you would have taken this out when this has hardened. And then you saw this like this and then to put the bolt back. Obviously now it's a little bit whatever, but you get the idea. Like this is hard, paper is hard, for those of you who don't know. So this is how you can make this section easier if you don't have that drill thing to make it out of paper. Because with this this is wood, you know, paper is wood. Then you apply this enough and keep doing this thing, like this is hard, you know. It's not squishy, even when there is no bolt inside. Alright, just food for thought how you can make this easier if you don't have the drill thing. And this is from the scrapyard. Metal recycling center, alright? Where you take your copper, alright? This is 12 millimeters, this, alright? That's all, bye.